You train your arms, you train your chest, you train your legs, but people still don't feel your presence. Ever wondered why? Because there is one hidden muscle that decides how attractive, confident, and powerful you look, and almost nobody trains it. Today, I'll show you that muscle and how to train it safely at home. SAFE Training Promise. No risky neck breathes. No dangerous jerks. No heavy pressure on the spine. Only safe, controlled, beginner-friendly exercises. You train everything but still don't stand out. The missing muscle is your neck and posture chain. Same body, different neck, completely different presence. This muscle controls confidence, posture, and visual strength. We train smart, not risky. Always warm up your neck first. Slow chin-to-chest movement builds front thickness. This supports posture and head stability. These create balanced strength, not stiffness. Rotation keeps neck mobile and injury-free. This muscle trains your standing power. 2 to 3 sessions per week is enough. You will feel change in 2 weeks. You'll see it in 4 to 6. People feel confidence before they hear words. This is how you upgrade your entire look with one hidden muscle. You don't need bigger arms to look powerful. You need better structure. Train this hidden muscle, fix your posture, and watch how your entire presence changes.